Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about Laplace transformation. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I need to use about Laplace transformation. So I will use about L in here, that's it for Laplace. So for this one, that should be about h of capital F of h minus y0 in here. For this one, that should be about capital F of h for number 1. So that should be about 1 over h. So in case this is about number 2, this one should be about 2 over h and so on in here. About t, so we have the formula in here. And should be about 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this one we have n factorial over h to the power of n plus 1. So in this situation we have only t, that means n equals to number 1, and we can write like this. So we put number 1 in here, number 1 in here. So we have number 1, and this one we have number 2. And now we need to transform everything in here. So this one, that is about this one. This one, that is about this one. This one, that is about this one. And this one go in here. The next one, y0, we have number 4. So we put number 4 in here. Now, I will put negative number 4 go to the right, and we have positive number 4. F of h we can do about factorization. Next, we divide both sides by h minus number 2. Now, we need to consider about this one. So I will put negative number 2 in here. Later that we put 1 over negative number 2 in here. Next, I will add h in here. Later that we need to minus about h. So this one divide this one, and this one divide this one. So we have like this. And now we go to this one. Also we have h minus number 2 in here. So for this one, we need to do about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over h squared plus b over h plus c over h minus number 2. And now we do common denominator. So this one is about missing h minus number 2. So capital A multiplied by h minus number 2. About this one, it is missing about h and s minus number 2. About C, that is about h square. Now we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of h. About h square, we have b plus c. About h, we have a negative 2b. About the numbers, we have negative 2, 8. So we see that we just have only number 1. So negative 2a equals to number 1. We don't have h and s square. So a minus 2b, b plus c equals to number 0. And now we can find the solutions of a, b, c. So we have 8 equals to negative 1 over 2, b equals to negative 1 over 4, c equals to 1 over 4. And now I will put a, b, c go in here. So we go back in here. So this one, that is about this one. This one, that is about this one. So now if we simplify everything in here, so we have like this. Now we need to use about inverse Laplace transformation. So we have like this. So in this one, we can use the formula of this one in here. And that is about t. The next one, this one we transform back to number 1. And the next one, we know that inverse Laplace 1 over h minus a equal to e to the power of at. So a in here we change by number 2. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.